Mapagpalang araw mga kababayan, narito na naman ang isang makabuluhang kwento mula sa ating mga Pinoy boxer.
Nova, that's round number 2. But there it is.
Protects her at all times. Shima does look hurt. Referee really needs to pounce here. Don't know why the referee isn't getting the pounce here. Don't know why the referee isn't getting count. Punches to the body, and here we go on. Muhammad stamp thrown at Muhammad 3 times in a row.
Matapos na magretiro ang ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao taong 2021, sa wakas ay meron ng Pinoy boxer na malakas at isa ring southpaw ang pumalit kay Pacquiao. Sa welterweight division, walang iba kundi ang ating kababayan na si Jopper Montano. May edad sa kasalukuyan na 28, may taas na 5'8" at may ring record na 19 wins at 17 knockouts. Tubong Bago City, Negros Occidental at nakabase na sa Dubai. Samantala, matapos na i-knockout ni Jopper Montano sa round 1 ang kapwa Pinoy na si Benji Suganov noong June 24, 2022, ay muli itong napalaban na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang knockout artist na Indonesian boxer na si Ari Agustian na may record na 8 wins, 8 knockouts at isa pa lamang natalo. Nakataya sa laban ng AVF Super Lightweight title na ginanap sa Dubai kung saan muling pinamalas nito ang lakas ng kamao nang tapusin agad nito sa unang round ang knockout artist na Indonesian. Sa unang atake ng Pinoy ay naramdaman agad ng Indonesian ng lakas ng kamao ng Pinoy, ngunit hindi kumbinsido ang referee sa pagbagsak ng Indonesian. Senyas ni ref, no knockdown, slip lang umano ito kaya hindi binilangan. Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay muling nagpakawala si Jopper Montano ng liver shot sa katawan na nagpaluhod sa Indonesian boxer. Sa muling pagtayo ng Indonesian ay nagpakawala ang Pinoy ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at isang jab sa bodega na nagpayuko sa Indonesian boxer. Panalo si Jopper Montano via first round technical knockout. Samantala, matapos ang 5 buwan ay muling napalaban si Jopper Montano na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Indian boxer na si Kulbir Daka na may ring record na 6 wins, 1 loss at 3 knockouts. Paglalabanan ng dalawa ang WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Sa laban ng dalawa ay ginamit ng Indian boxer ang tangkad at haba ng galamay nito at nakipagsabayan sa Pinoy. Sa round 9, dito binakbakan at binayo ng suntok ng Pinoy na nagpabagsak sa Indian boxer. Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay muling binakbakan ng Pinoy at wala itong naging sagot, kaya't inihinto na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 9th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ng Pinoy ang WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Samantala, March 30, 2023 nang harapin naman ni Joffer Montano ang Iranian boxer na si Kashar Ghasemi. Si Ghasemi ay may ring record na 7 wins, 7 knockouts at 3 talo. Nakataya sa laban ang AVF welterweight title. Sa laban ng dalawa ay bugbog ang inabot ng Iranian boxer sa kamay ng Pinoy.
And again, Joffer coming from VIC boxing this afternoon. Good left hand works the body there from Kashir. Joffer with a good left hand to the body from Joffer. Kashir mimicking the her left hand. Right hook on the back foot now, trying to get into the pocket. Oh, big left hand though from Joffer. And that's where Joffer did so. And there we see it again. Huge body rip from Joffer to Flory to finish round number 2. Kashir has done really well so far in this round, but not so much. Joffer again lunging in, but Kashir, good jab, and then left hook from Kashir. Joffer ducking out the way. Left hand to the body from Joffer. Left hook, left hand there, holding centre of the ring. Good double jab, and yep, Joffer, right hand from Kashir. Kashir coming back now. Kashir pushing forward, Joffer rally now, like he did at the end of the.
Matapos ang round 5, ay hininda ng Iranian boxer ang balikat nito at tumayaw na nga ito sa laban. Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 6th round referee technical decision. Samantala, matapos ang 3 buwan, ay dumayo si Joffer Montano sa bansang Thailand na kung saan sinagupa niya dito ang Pakistani boxer na si Muhammad Bilal. Si Muhammad ay may ring record na 11 wins, 3 losses at 9 knockouts. Didepensa ni Montano ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Sa bakbakan ng dalawa ay naging palaban ang Pakistani boxer. Gustong maaga ang WBO belt, kaya nakipagsabayan ito sa Pinoy.
Muhammad Bilal trying to get on the inside and Joffer landing with the left hand. And again going to the right hook to the body there from Joffer. Right hand there from Muhammad. Left hand down the middle from Joffer. Whoa, big miss there from Joffer. Whoa! Looks like they both landed with their own. He ate a huge left hand which put him off balance. Body and landing to the head as well from Joffer. Looks like that hurt. Another left hook, a long left hook as well to the body. Good left to the body, Mohammed. Oh, good right hook there from Joffer as well as Mohammed walked straight into it, and the left hand followed too. Joffer going to the body now. Accurate left hand, connect away from their left straight, their power side, and create angles for your right straight. Now this is good from Mohammed. Good right hands connecting 2 in a row almost. Again from Joffer connecting and straight down the middle.
Sa round 6, dito binayo ng kaliwang kamao ng Pinoy na nagpaluhod sa Pakistani boxer.
Also the punches to the body, and here we go on. Mohammed's down. It was the left hand from Joffer.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban ay bakbaka daw ng dalawa at dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng liver shot sa katawan. Kaya naman, bagsak ang Pakistani boxer.
Joffer going in for the kill. Left hand thrown at Mohammed 3 times in a row, and Mohammed's down for a second time.
Habang binibilangan, ay umayaw na ito sa laban. Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 6th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nadepensahan ng ating kababayan ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental belt. Samantala, September 30, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Joffer Montano na kung saan sinagupa niya dito ang Indonesian boxer na si Rivo Condiman. Nakataya sa laban ang ABF welterweight belt. Sa round 1 ay palitan na malalakas na kombinasyon ang dalawa.
Nice right hook landed to the body already, and a big swing and a miss. And he won in the first round, trying to prove that he's a very strong boxer and determined to get this title. And Riva done a very good job just to stay calm, not get overwhelmed by the power. He's in the center of the ring. Joseph. And a big left hand landed on the chin, but Riva comes back with a combination of his own. Jab just sticking it out there. And a nice leaping jab, a corkscrew punch landed by Riva. And there it is again. The corkscrew punch is where it's just basically... Big right hand landed to the body, and Riva just took a 3-punch combination, but Riva, and his head snaps back, and he's still standing. Joffer is going in for the kill. I think Joffer...
Bago matapos ang round 1, ay tinamaan ng Pinoy boxer ng left straight na nagpatapa sa Indonesian boxer.
One, and another left hand sent his opponent to the canvas. Joffer already jumping up and down with joy. You cannot be saved by the bell. That he's not hurt after round number 1. And that's exactly what Riva needs to do, throwing those double jabs. A big right hand and a left hand lands to the body of Riva. Riva's doing a very good job.
Sa round 2 ay muling tinamaan ng Pinoy ng solidong left straight. Bulagta ang Indonesian boxer.
But there it is again, sending his opponent to the canvas.
Sa pagtayo nito ay halatang hilo pa ang Indonesian, kaya't itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
And Riva is up.
Panalo si Joffer Montano via second round technical knockout. Samantala, March 30, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Joffer Montano na kung saan pinagtapat sa Pinoy ang isang Thai fighter na si Acharya Wirujana Sonobol. Ang boxer na ito ay may record na 14 wins, 2 losses at 6 knockouts. Nakataya sa laban ang WBO Oriental Welterweight title. Samantala, si Joffer Montano ay former ABF Super Lightweight Champion, former WBA Asia Welterweight Champion at kasalukuyang ABF at WBO Oriental Welterweight Champion. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay suportado ng mga Thai ang kanilang kababayan at umaasa na tatalunin ang Pinoy. Kaya bawat bato ng suntok ng Thai boxer ay napapahiyaw ang mga kababayan nito na nanonood ng laban.
Joffer's now landed a nice left upstairs. Any in the bit, actually, as he lands a nice body shot as well, which almost stumbles actually. Left downstairs. And another left downstairs lands clean for Joffer Montano. And the man from the Philippines is determined to try and put this man away in the foot. Joffer very aggressive. He usually takes a back foot approach in the early rounds. That's just that push in the last fight. Big, less than a minute to go, round number 1. As Joffer, and it works both ways, and there it is. It's a round. Big, well, there's actually a shake his head in front. Seconds to go, round number 1. Shows his head movement as well. There's a big right hand underneath, and Joffer has got to be very another jab as well, and again, actually a little bit more aggressive.
Sa round 2 ay panay-atake lang ang Pinoy. Dito lumusot ang left straight ni Montano na nagpaluhod sa Thai boxer.
A big left hand knocks Acharya back.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, kaliwat ka ng kombinasyon ang pinakawalan ng Pinoy.
We will see what Joffer wants to do with this, but that is huge early on in the fight to win on the scorecard.
Sa pagyuko ng Thai, sabay left uppercut ni Montano, ngunit nakaiwas ang Thai boxer. Ngunit sa kasunod na right hook ay hindi na naiwasan. Sa pool ang panga, bulagta ang Thai boxer.
And he hits a right hand as well, which puts him.
Hindi na nakatayo pa ang Thai boxer. Panalo si Joffer Montano via second round knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ng ating kababayan ang WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Samantala, Tulang October 6, 2024 ay muling napalaban at nagbalik Thailand si Joffer Montano na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Indian boxer na si Shiva Thakran. Nakataya sa laban ang Universal Boxing Organization Continental Welterweight Belt. Si Shiva Thakran ay may record na 19 wins, 5 losses at 10 knockouts. Samantala, hindi nagkakalayo ng record ang Indian boxer sa Pinoy at malakas at may galawan din. Kaya hindi basta-bastang kalaban ng boxer na ito dahil palaban at nakikipagsabayan sa bakbakan. Kaya't sa una, medyo nahihirapan ang Pinoy.
And there from Spurs, if Shiva, well, so it's very hard, difficult to deal with.
Good uppercut there.
Landed down. From our angle, it looked like it landed on the belt line, but Joffer returns with a beautiful before you deliver a counter. South
comes into play too. There's that footwork, that front foot, and delivered that right hook right around the rib cage. Joffer still on the front foot. Shiva attacking back with a straight to the body and then going upstairs. Not bad counter punching so far from Shiva in this. Punches like that left straight. There you see it to the body. Shiva grimacing right there. Joffer tagging in with the right hook upstairs. Looks like Joffer has seen it. Shiva is hurt. Again, he goes with the straight left.
Really giving too much away.
Shiva hasn't capitalized on it.
If you notice, but when Joffer misses a shot, he kind of dances around. His mouth is wide open. That's a sense that someone is really tired. Joffer should just and he has it on that hip line where when he throws a jab, and as soon as got to take that chance, he's got to take that moment.
Right hand.
Shiva should really be stepping back your opponents, moving.
Easier said than done though. Right.
If he's trying to win this fight, he needs to pull something out. Comes alive with a beautiful 1-2 upstairs.
And a right hook to the head too, now targeting the body. Joffer, it's like Shiva is hurt.
And he's got to feed off the crowd here. The crowd went wild in that situation, but Shiva guards, so you can't count this man out.
Yeah, Shiva looks like he's just trying to land that overhand. Take a point away, couldn't he?
But neither want to engage just yet. And it is
right hand.
5th round and you're down.
Sa round 5, dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng isang liver shot sa katawan, kaya ito napatakbo at napayuko sa sakit.
Where he wants him to be by using that.
Kaya nang napansin ni Montano ay agad nitong hinabol at binakbakan. At sa tagpong ito, tinamaan ng Pinoy ng left straight sa mukha at tila sumenyas pa ito na matigas ang kanyang mukha.
Referee really needs to pounce here.
Kaya inulit ito ng Pinoy na suntukin ng mukha.
To pounce here. Don't know why the referee is against a very delayed reaction.
Bagsak ang Indian boxer. Hindi na tumayo at tumayo na nga ito sa laban.
Account.
I think
Panalo si Joffer Montano via 5th round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay lang ang komento sa baba at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless!